MoneyLion Instacash does not use a traditional loan application, because approval is based on your banking activity and account history instead of a credit score. By the end, you'll know exactly what MoneyLion looks at for Instacash eligibility, what actually improves your chances, and what will not change your approval at all. Instacash qualification is based on account behavior, not credit checks. MoneyLion does not rely on a hard credit pull for Instacash eligibility. Instead, it evaluates your linked bank account activity to decide whether you qualify. Now explain the biggest requirement. The main requirement is connecting a bank account that shows regular activity. MoneyLion uses this connection to analyze your income patterns and spending behavior. Now explain income consistency. Consistent deposits into your bank account are one of the strongest signals. Regular income shows the system that money is reliably coming in, which improves eligibility. Now explain account stability. Stable balances matter because they show whether your account can handle short-term advances without frequent overdrafts or unpredictable swings. Now explain why this matters. The system is trying to estimate whether you can handle repaying an advance based on real financial behavior, not just a credit score snapshot. Now explain timing. Eligibility is not instant or permanent. It can change over time depending on how your account activity evolves. Now, explain usage behavior. Using your account regularly and maintaining consistent financial activity helps the system build a clearer picture of your income stability. Now, explain what does not help. Requesting Instacash repeatedly does not force approval or increase eligibility faster. The system does not respond to repeated attempts as a positive signal. Now explain common misunderstanding. A lot of users think Instacash works like a credit line they can unlock instantly, but it is actually dynamic and depends entirely on account data. Now explain improvement strategy. The most effective way to improve eligibility is to maintain steady income deposits, avoid irregular cash flow patterns, and keep your account consistently active over time. Now, put it in perspective. MoneyLion prioritizes users with predictable financial behavior because Instacash is designed to cover short-term gaps, not long-term borrowing. Here's the simple breakdown. MoneyLion Instacash qualification depends on consistent deposits, stable account activity, and overall financial behavior, not credit scores or applications. Do this next. Connect your primary bank account, maintain regular deposits, and use the account normally so the system can evaluate your eligibility over time. If your financial activity is stable and consistent, your chances of qualifying improve. If it is irregular, access may remain limited or unavailable.